Welcome, MSMS Juniors. My name is Lauren Zarandona. I'm one of the teachers in the math department, and I'm here to talk to you about your junior year math. In some ways, it's the beginning of the end. You see, you're now an MSMS student, so your next goal is to graduate. To do that, you'll need at least one semester of AP Calculus, one semester of AP Statistics, 2 total credits of math, and a half credit math or science swing credit. How do you get all this done? Well, there's several different paths to the end. We base your path for next year on your math pretest, your homeschool math grades, your ACT, and your goals for after high school. The first path I'll discuss, I'll call it Path 1, it's the most common path, is to take foundations in the fall. This is our version of pre-calculus. Students on this path will then take trigonometry in the spring. Some may even take trigonometry with AP Calculus simultaneously based on their scores from foundations in the fall. The next path, I'll call it Path 2, is foundations and trig in the fall. These students then go on to take AP Calculus 1 in the spring. Path 3 is the Algebra 2 path. These students do not yet have credit for Algebra 2, so they'll take the year's worth of Algebra 2 in one semester in the fall, and then in the spring take foundations and trig. If you're in this path, you will graduate. You will simply begin your calculus and statistics your senior year. Now, we do have an additional path, and that is calculus. For students who demonstrate mastery of pre-calculus, they might be suggested to go ahead and start AP Calculus BC next year. Students who already have some credit for calculus might go ahead to Cal 2 and Cal 3 during their junior year. This is only for students with special permission. If you already have credit for AP Statistics, you will not need to take statistics at MSMS. If you already have credit for AP Calculus, we'll work with you on a one-on-one basis. We typically use AP scores to help with this decision. We know those scores will be a little unusual given the distance learning happening right now, so we'll work with you to make sure you have the best placement possible. There are some additional options for junior year. If it fits into your schedule, AP Statistics 1 and even 2 may be taken as a junior. Math modeling is an elective that would count for swing credit that takes place in the fall and prepares students for the COMAP math modeling contest. Discrete mathematics and cryptography take place in the spring, and those are elective options that students find very interesting. The last thing I want to discuss is a calculator. We do require that you come to MSMS with a graphing calculator. We recommend an 84, specifically the 84 plus CE color calculator that's rechargeable. However, 83s and 84s are sufficient. We allow but do not support the TI Inspires and the Casio graphing calculators. No calculators with CAS are permitted. Once again, welcome to MSMS, and we look forward to teaching you math.